This is Sami and welcome to Moto Hunter. So yes, in today's video, let me introduce myself, what is my channel all about, what I do. So this is Sami, born and raised in Bangalore, a Bangalorean. First part-time is to create content on YouTube, and yes, I do call myself as an moto blogger as well, and yet I go and record videos, put shots, and then I work in a MNC. So hereafter you guys are gonna watch me and my vlogs. Especially I don't do much vlogging, but I'm learning it. Hopefully some other day I might learn it. And yes, this is all about me. So in today's vlog, it's nothing, just cruising in the Bangalore traffic, and here we go. So right now I am in Koramangala near Christ, and it was my first day of my office, heading back home after collecting my laptop. So most probably once I reach home, have to have something, gym, and then late night meetings. So this would be today's plan. And yes, as usual, Bangalore traffic gives you a separate kick. So let's go. Basically, this is a gift from my mom, and yes, which is always special to me. Moreover, I have completed 3 or 4 trips. One was a legendary trip which I won't forget. It was the Kolli Hills, and the video is on my channel. Unfortunately, I didn't have a mic adapter, so because of which I couldn't give an audio to that. But to let you know about that trip, an exceptional trip, a trip to be remembered, because 79 hairpin bends, I think so, 79, I'm not sure about it, but most probably it would be, the figures would be somewhere around 60 to 70, and each and every hairpin bend was nice. So by the way, if you know about Kolli Hills is located near Namakkal, which is approximately 350 or 320 kilometers from Bangalore. And yes, me and my riding group had gone there. So it was from colleagues from my previous organization, and yes, we were 8 to 9 members when we went, and then the trip was exceptional. We went during peak monsoon, and yeah, I would give the link in the description. Please do check out the link, as well as make sure you like, share and subscribe to my channel. Show some love so that it encourages me to post some more videos. And yes, right now I just crossed my company. I met few colleagues, new colleagues, beautiful people, Abhijit, Vignesh, and few more to go. So don't know how the vibe goes there, but inshallah I'll make sure that everything goes well and good. And now I'm at St. John's Hospital, heading back to Singasandra. And yes, we'll see what goes on the way, but don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more auto vlogging related videos. Yes, as usual, the Bangalore traffic, God save me from this. First day of the office, completely tired, and yeah, moreover, first day was good. We had an onboarding session, and then yeah, From tomorrow, it's like finding the bike in the parking lot is another big headache or an hectic thing, because once you park your vehicle, it approximately takes 15 to 20 minutes just to find out where you had parked. I'm not familiar with the campus, but I'll make sure that I get adapted to it soon. And yeah, so guys, let me know if you want vlogs in Dakhmi or in English, so that I can start vlogging in the languages. Yes, again, stuck in traffic. Metro is under construction. Towards left we go to Damblur, and yeah, straight most probably I'll go upon HSR. Just wanted to go to HSR. Think so. I had a plan to meet my friend, but let's see how it goes. Guy would be sleeping. Just to skip the signal, I took left. Let's see. Bangalore traffic and Bangalore weather are unpredictable. Short now, 3:45 p.m. Beautiful afternoon. Let's see how it goes, guys.
स्ट्रॉबेरी सर
नहीं चाहिए. स्ट्रॉबेरी लेके मैं क्या करूँगा? Asking strawberry. Christmas is on the way. Don't know whether my new company or the organization would give me leaves on Christmas. I had a plan to go to Sakleshpur. Unfortunately, my colleagues from the previous organization cancelled it due to forcing issues. But inshallah, Sakleshpur is gonna be a mind-changing trip, because it's the last trip from my previous organization where most of our colleagues are gonna go together, and yes, there is a big pothole over here, so I just want to avoid it, because the suspensions on Hunter are the back suspensions are too stiff, so that's another issue. Yeah, I think if they would have closed it, good. Yeah, there comes the pothole. Guys, Bangalore, I can't talk bad about Bangalore, especially it's my home turf. No, what's this turf? Roads, guys. Okay, let's push. So, yes, on the way to home. Beautiful afternoon. Yeah. Talk about Hunter or Zia. ZIA, Zia. So that's what I call her. I don't know where the name came from, just a random thought. But this is a beautiful machine, guys. Beautiful machine. I see literally, yes. So again, a signal. Oh, thank God, turned green so soon. Home. Zia. So this is with me since Jan 2025, and yeah, they were beautiful and some terrible memories as well. So once she came, the main intention of buying Hunter was just to do city rides, and later on it was my mom who didn't let me buy high-end bikes, because she wanted her son not do long rides, and then later on the son's mind got changed. He started doing long rides. I promised her I won't go anywhere, but once my first long ride, mom understood that this guy is not gonna sit at home or not ride all day in cities. So later on she understood my passion for riding or doing long rides, and she allowed me. But mom, I'm sorry. Yes, there we go. Doing long rides again. Again, and another signal. Yeah, this is near St. Francis College, Manglar. And yes, okay, censure, okay, okay. A request to collect my laptop from my current organization, and it's been collected already. So yes, moreover, that's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. This is your Motor Hunter signing off. Have a great day.